The Appalachian Mountains are not one mountain range. They are the worn remains of at least 4 ranges, built one on top of another across more than 1 billion years. The oldest chapter began about 1.1 billion years ago, when a continental collision welded together the gneiss and granite beneath the Blue Ridge. Those first peaks may have rivaled the Himalayas, and none of that height survives. After Rodinia tore apart, an ocean called Iapetus opened in the gap. A chain of volcanic islands crashed into eastern North America roughly 480 million years ago. Crustal fragments from Gondwana arrived about 375 million years ago, carrying rock that was never North American. The final blow came when Northwest Africa ploughed into the continent, completing the supercontinent Pangea and folding the crust into the parallel ridges of the Valley and Ridge province. That same belt ran on into Scotland and Morocco, and NASA has described the Anti-Atlas Mountains as a product of the same collisions. Then Pangea split, the Atlantic opened, and the mountain-building engine shut off. In the Great Smoky Mountains, erosion removes about 1 inch of rock every 1,000 years. Over 200 million years, that should leave a nearly flat landscape. The peaks are still here. A 2025 study, led by the University of Southampton and published in the journal Geology, points to a hot zone about 125 miles beneath New England. The team traces it to the rifting of the Labrador Sea more than 80 million years ago and finds it has migrated some 1,100 miles southwest. Heat at the base of a continent thins its root and makes the crust above more buoyant. That may explain why the range gained elevation over the past few million years. The ridges, visible from the Blue Ridge Parkway, are geologically young. The rock inside them is 1,000 times older. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.